Office sharing. Office sharing is a concept that allows companies who own or manage an office, that have redundant office space to share or rent the workstations or self-contained units to smaller companies looking for flexible workspace. This creates revenue for the company that runs the office, and provides a cheap, flexible alternative for companies looking for an office outside of their home. The main benefit of sharing an office is that it provides a more dynamic environment for both companies involved and access to new markets. However, sharing office space does come with some problems of its own. The arrangement can be particularly sensitive in the case of attorneys and MDs. In such cases, a legally binding office sharing agreement should be carefully considered and redacted. Office sharing is similar to co-working, though co-working spaces tend to include more tenants, a broader range of amenities and a stronger emphasis on community and networking.